Everyone wants their money to grow, but most people get this wrong by taking risks they don't fully understand. The surprising truth about CD Grow app in 2026 is that growth doesn't have to feel dangerous. CD Grow app is a guided financial growth platform aimed at beginners and cautious planners. It focuses on gradual improvement through savings optimization, low volatility growth tools, and financial education. When users sign up, the app evaluates financial habits before recommending any growth strategy. This prevents users from jumping into plans that don't match their income or risk tolerance. You won't believe how rare that approach is. One standout feature is its growth simulator. Users can see realistic projections based on contribution levels rather than best-case scenarios. For example, increasing monthly savings by even $50 shows noticeable long-term impact. CD Grow also offers automated rebalancing for its growth tools, reducing emotional decision-making. This is important because emotional choices are one of the biggest reasons people lose money over time. Educational prompts are short, practical, and tied to real behavior. When spending rises, the app explains how it affects long-term growth in simple terms. The trade-off is limited customization for advanced investors. CD Grow prioritizes safety over flexibility. In conclusion, CD Grow app in 2026 is still worth it for people who want steady progress without stress. If safe growth and clarity matter to you, hit subscribe for more insights.